In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AI articles, including images, in Perplexity Labs. Whether you're a budding writer, a seasoned author, or someone interested in exploring the power of AI in content creation, this tutorial will guide you through each step effortlessly. First, let's open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google. This gives us a great starting point to access the tool we'll be using today. In the Google search bar, type the word Perplexity and hit enter. This search will lead you to the website we need, allowing you easy access to all its features. Scroll through the search results and click on the link that directs you to the official Perplexity website. The Perplexity platform is an exciting place where creativity and technology meet, perfect for crafting intriguing articles enhanced by AI-generated visuals. Once you're on the Perplexity homepage, the next step is to make a prompt. The prompt you choose here will guide the AI in generating content, so think carefully about what you're interested in creating. For example, it could be a travel article about adventurous spots around the world, or a piece on the latest technology trends. Crafting a clear, engaging prompt will ensure that AI understands what kind of content to generate. With your prompt ready, the next step is to find and click on the Labs button. The Labs feature is where much of the experimental, cutting-edge AI work is happening. It's eagerly awaiting your input to showcase what it can do. This button will take you to a new page where you can submit your prompt for processing. Now that you've reached the Labs section, it's time to click on Submit. Submitting your prompt kicks off the process, letting the AI work its magic. This part is where your ideas start to come alive, transformed into an article with images, thanks to the advanced capabilities of AI. After submitting, there's a short pause, no longer than a minute, while the AI processes your request. The anticipation is worth it as the technology arranges your need into something tangible and creative. During this time, you can sit back or perhaps ponder the impact of AI on content creation. Once the minute passes, the results will appear, ready for your review and further enhancement if needed. That's it. You've successfully created an AI article complete with images using Perplexity Labs. This tool is a powerful ally for writers and creatives, making the process not just simple, but also excitingly innovative. You can now explore the results, make any tweaks you see fit, and proudly share your AI-generated content with the world. Thank you for joining me in this interesting journey through technology and creativity.